Hey, Jim here from K2 Concepts, shooting another in our series of dipping difficult parts. I don't know how long I'm going to keep this one up because I may pull this one over into our training course. But for right now, we're going to stick it up on YouTube, and we're going to slowly go through different videos that we can incorporate into the online training course for you guys. So, that being said, these are window seals, okay? Or window trims, or whatever you want to call them. They're not easy. They're for the interior, so obviously they sit on the inside and they sandwich the window. They're three-dimensional, so you can see how you've got the bottom. Actually, it's almost four-dimensional. Yeah, there can be four. So you've got the sides coming across the bottom here, back up the side, and then across the top here. Difficult but not impossible, okay? So what I'm going to show you is, this is one of the reasons why it's important to back tape your objects. So what we're going to try to do, actually I've already done one so I know it works, but what we want to do is back tape the inside edge. So the pattern is going to flow up from here, and you want to try to get it to wrap around that last edge, that fourth edge here. But you want to keep the water from beating it, all right? So what you're going to do is use a wider tape, maybe 1.5 inch wide tape, to put on the outside, or the inside edge of this, I should say. So you can see how we've done that here. This is one of the reasons why we back tape all of our custom parts. It just, you know, it's worth the time. It took exactly 8 minutes and 27 seconds to back tape all this. You know, the inside where it has the doorknob or the door lock mechanism hole, there's obviously some kind of emblem or trim piece here. And then we have the tape all around. Now this was a little tough because there's little clips here. You can pull the clips out, but chances are you're going to damage them. These things were in bad shape. We shot some video on stripping them down, but they were found laying on the ground in some junkyard, and rust was probably the only thing holding them together. So we sandblasted them off, epoxy primered them, and then we actually hit them with a high build primer even after the epoxy primer to try to get some of those really tough rust spots. I mean, there's going to be only so much you guys can do. This isn't a customer brings you his parts that are just beyond repair and asks you to make them look like new. It ain't going to happen. So anyhow, this is the importance of back taping this particular part. Okay, so I'm going to upload this. This is part 1, and then give me about 15-20 minutes. We'll readjust the camera, and then we'll upload part 2. But it'd be difficult parts, car window trim, window seals, whatever you want to call it. Again, the importance of back taping. So just to summarize it all one more time, you're going to create an edge here so the water won't run over this and beat you. Okay, it'll give the pattern time to come up, wrap around, and it can be done. So at the same time, you're going to have to remember that if you go in flat, you're going to trap the air. So you're going to have to go in at enough of an angle to get the air out of there, but at the same time fast enough to make sure that the water doesn't beat you up over this edge and maybe catch up to you on the tail end of the part. So it's all technique, guys. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys are having a good day dipping. Join us on the forum, k2forums.com. Email me, k2forums@gmail.com. Activator, guns, other supplies, k2shoponline.com. And a little Takati for the haters today. It's finally warming up out here in California, but man, it's been cold. So that's it for this one. Hope you guys are having a good day dipping. We'll talk to you later.